Sir, and all of you. Today I'm gonna speak about ebooks and printed book, which is better. So, ebook is a digital form of book, and the ebooks containing text and images, which is good for the e-learning. The students are able to enhance knowledge because of the digital form of ebook. Uh, we don't need to carry multiple books with us because one ebook reader can hold thousands of books with him, and it saves a lot of space in your bag, in your home. The ebooks are very portable and lightweight, so uh, it will not affect you to face the physical problems like now time the student have to face too much burden of the books in their school which they carry. So because of the e-books they don't need to face any burden of the books, and the ebooks are very better because in the lockdown the ebooks were too helpful because the classes were online and the student were learning through the e-learning, and it has been found that the students are learning better because of the visual effects and 3D effects of the ebooks, which is not available in the printed books. The printed book is a book which contains graphs, charts, and diagrams. Uh, a printed book typed on a paper, and the pictures on the printed book is blurred, so the students are unable to understand that uh, properly. It happens many times with the student, and they also have to pick up the lot of burden of the books with them, but now it doesn't happen, and in the so many countries the books have finished. The students like to prefer ebooks with them, and it also in our India these uh, people are preferring the ebooks, and so many schools are getting smarter because of the e-learning, because it has been found that the e-learning is better. And in the printed book, the printed books are made by the papers, and the papers are made in two steps, like the cellulose fiber are extracted from the variety of the sources and converted into pulp, and the pulp is combined with water and placed on paper making machine, and the pulp and paper mills contribute to the air, water, and land pollution, which affects our environment. So we can also say that the printed book affects the environment, which is not good for the for our earth. So we can say that on that point the printed books are not good. And the ebooks, because of the ebooks sometimes the children gets distracted from their study because of the notification of the ebooks. It happens, but we need to understand like the study is very important for us. The student who are interested in their study, they don't do this, they will not distract from their study. So it depends on us. There are the demerits and merits, both of the things, whether it is book or ebook. We need to understand that this study is very important. Those people who were interested in their study, they will study through the ebook and printed book, whatever they want. So but in the lockdown the ebooks were too helpful, as I said you, because of the visual effects and 3D effects the students were learning better. So according to me the ebooks are better than the printed books. Thank you.